Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a first timer here, please click subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another subscription box called, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's either BU Undies. Basically, it's a monthly subscription of really nice lace underwear. I got the combo, which is basically you get one thong and one like cheeky pair of underwear. I did one a while ago before I left for school, and the underwears are really nice, and they last a long time. I like silk underwear, like I like to be fancy underneath it all. So yeah, I have 2 months left. Well, I have 2 packages to open, so I'm assuming those are 2 months that I forgot to subscribe because life gets hectic and I forget to subscribe. That's just what we do on this channel. Yeah, so I did enjoy it. At first I was very confused. I was like, who needs a monthly subscription of underwear? But you know what, there's a subscription box for everything and everyone. Maybe you don't treat yourself, maybe you think Victoria's Secret is hella passe or hella corny and you just want nice top quality silk underwear, then I would definitely recommend them. I believe they're $7.99 a month. There is a Groupon. I think it's still there because I don't think I paid the $7.99. I think I paid like $4, $3, something really cheap. Check your Groupon website or app. So let's get into it. It comes in really discreet packaging, like, you know, it's, I don't know, I guess some people might feel some type of way. So this is the first one. It just says BU, and right here is their handles. I'll drop them down below. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, for Instagram and Twitter, it's just BU Undies, so just BU Undies, and that is the website down below. I mean, like, not below the name. Anyway, like I said, I got the mixed combo of both a thong and cheeksters, and I got them in a size large. I feel like they're a little too big. Like, I don't know if I'm just being like super paranoid or like super bougie or like, I don't know. But you know, like sometimes you just want your underwear to feel snug, and if it's too loose, you're like self-conscious about it. At least I am, at least. I will say the color selections are always really pretty. I'm definitely not into bright underwear colors. I prefer black, you know, anything along neutrals basically. So this is the first one. This is what it looks like. It's black, seamless thong from them. Which is great if you wear a lot of yoga pants, a lot of leggings. Yeah, things like that. Just tight fitted things. I'm lying. I did not get a large. I apparently got an extra large for some obscure reason. I don't know why I did that to myself, but yeah, I don't know why I did that. I would definitely get your true size. If you are large in Victoria's Secrets, then get a large on this website, please, because the extra large is super, it's a little too loose. Anyway, they threw this in for the second month. Same bag it came in, nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary. In my last box, they gave me some type of cream for my coochie. So basically, there's a business card for a recovery coach to help you find a better relationship with body, food, and fitness. Fit, Fat, and All That LLC. Julia, I'm not even going to pronounce his last name because I feel like I'm going to butcher it, but here's her card. I do like that it's very female empowered. They do drop a lot of things to help you, you know, feel like a woman or help you as a woman. It's not easy being a woman, especially a woman of color in today's society. So I really do appreciate the whole incentive. That's also her card. That's cute. I personally do not have a need for a recovery coach, but I'm sure there are people out there that do. Ooh la la. I'm here for this second month's pair. Okay. Again, get your true to size because this extra large is hella big. Like I'm chunky, but I'm not that chunky. So this is what the black lace looks like. I love lace. I love it. It feels soft. It feels great. I wore this when I was flying to Antigua, And like, you know how sometimes you could just feel your underwear in a sense where it's like it's riding up, it's in places where it shouldn't be. I hate to say it, but sometimes that be the case. But that's not the case with Beau Undies. They're really, really nice. I felt really comfortable. Granted, from JFK to Antigua, it wasn't like a long flight, so I mean, there's that. But they're just very comfortable. I've definitely worn them during exams, and like, I felt comfortable AF. These are very, very sexy. Ooh la la. Again, they're too big for me. So sad. This white lace, and then it has like this little crisscrossing in the back, which I've seen in a few lingerie pieces at like Victoria's Secrets or just any place where they sell sexy lingerie. So that's cute. I'm here for it. Would recommend. It's discreet. It's definitely all about feeling good in your underwear. I would recommend them. If not for yourself, then for a friend. I feel like no one can ever pass up cute underwear. You know what I mean? Like, it's cute underwear. Duh. JK, JK. Anyway, thank you for watching this unboxing. I hope you had a great holiday. That's it. 5 out of 5 would recommend. I love their initiative. I'll drop down their initiative down below in the description box for once. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye, lovies.